Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands or even millions of views on Facebook and YouTube without ever showing their face? Many creators are earning money by posting AI generated short videos, and the best part is you don't need a PC or laptop. Everything can be done using just your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high quality viral AI shorts that have the potential to rank well and reach a massive audience. Some of the most popular niches worldwide include pet and animal personalities, survival and primitive skills, nature and travel documentaries, science and space wildlife. Today, we'll focus on creating stunning wildlife shorts using AI. I'll show you my complete workflow using ChatGPT for the script, Google Flow for AI images generation, and YouTube Create for video, all step by step. So, if you're ready to start a faceless AI content channel and create amazing shorts using only your phone, let's get started. Step 1. Generate the story with ChatGPT. Now, let's start with ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT app on your smartphone and tap New Chat. The first thing we need is a short, engaging story that people will watch until the end. Since we're creating a wildlife short, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate a story with a strong hook, emotional moments, and a satisfying ending. Here's the prompt I'm using. Write a 30-second YouTube Shorts story about a wildlife animal. Start with a powerful hook, include suspense and emotion, end with a satisfying twist, and divide the story into short scenes for AI image generation. Also provide an image prompt for each scene. Paste the prompt and tap send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete short script, scene by scene breakdown, detailed AI image prompts for every scene. If you don't like the first result, simply ask ChatGPT, make it more emotional, add more suspense, make it more cinematic, create a happier ending. You can regenerate the story as many times as you want until you're satisfied. Once you have the final script and image prompts, copy them. We'll use them in the next step. Step 2. Generate AI images with Google Flow. Now that our story is ready, it's time to turn each scene into beautiful AI-generated images using Google Flow. Open Google Flow on your smartphone and start a new project. Now copy the image prompt for scene 1 that ChatGPT generated and paste it into Google Flow. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 since we're creating a YouTube short. Next, choose the image quality. I recommend selecting the highest quality available for the best results. Once everything is set, tap generate and wait a few seconds. Google Flow will create an AI image based on your prompt. If you're not happy with the result, you can edit the prompt by adding more details such as realistic lighting, cinematic composition, ultra detailed dramatic atmosphere, 4K quality. Then generate the image again until you're satisfied. Repeat the same process for every scene in your story. By the end, you'll have all the AI images needed for your wildlife short. Now that our images are ready, let's move on to a smooth animated video using YouTube Create.